All right, y'all, welcome back. We are on level 7. We are almost there. This is the scoreboard. Right now, this is what our game looks like. So we have our frog. We are trying to catch the flies, but not the mushrooms. I'm not sure why my frog is flying. I'm going to have to figure that out. But if we touch the mushroom, the frog dies, and that's bad. All right. But that's where we are with our game so far. The health is in the corner, but the points are not. So let's figure that out. We're going to reset this for the moment. It says scoreboard. Right now the health is displayed, but the score is not. Do this. Find the code comment scoreboard and read the code that makes the health information display. Add code to create a scoreboard. Run the program to test your code. All right. So we got to find our scoreboard. There we go, scoreboard. Line 86 at this point. All right. It might be different from you because you might be doing different things in your program, and that is A-OK. All right, so add scoreboard and health meter, fill black, text size 20, text health 280/30, text health 350/30. So you notice that this is in parentheses and this is not. That's because this is text and this is a variable. So that is something to remember. All right, we also need text. There we go. So we're going to add text. We're going to say score. And then we're going to say if that one is at 280 and 30, and this one is going to be the same X. So we want it in the same spot, but we want it to be a little bit further down. So we'll say 260. All right. And then we'll have that. So the score. And then after that, we will have the actual score, which is going to be the variable. So we're not going to have parentheses there. We're going to say 350 because that's what health says. And then once again, we're going to make it a little bit further down. So if we run it, hey, there we go, there we go, there we go. I'm so excited. All right. And then I'm trying to think. That cloud is right in the way. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to reset my cloud. So instead of 250, I think I'm going to make that 50. And I'm going to make that 150. So reset, run. Ooh, no, that's not what I wanted. I want 200, 550. Let's try that. Oop, that's getting better. Let's try 75. Yeah, there we go. All right, and then instead of 50, I'm going to bring that over and make that 100. Yeah, there we go. All right. So, run. We have our game. I think we have our game. Which is good because it's 10:22 p.m. for me. All right. Let's see. All right. All right. So I think that the health is working. The score is working. All right. We're going to click on finish, and I'm going to see you on level 8. Let's do this.